Hello, class 9. Today we have to discuss some more application of the compound interest formula. In the previous class we have seen this formula for amount is equals to principal into 1 plus rate by 100 to whole power n. Today we have to see some other applications of formula of compound interest. We have to discuss here the three different cases. First in case of growth, then second in case of depreciation, then in third case of the problem based on population. Now see, in case of growth, when the growth of industry is taken into consideration. Now see, suppose the production after n years, we are calculating what? Production after n years, which is equal to initial production into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power n. It is just behave like a amount and it just behave like a principal. Similarly, if we have to calculate the present production is equal to production n years ago under bracket 1 plus rate by 100 to whole power time. Now see the problem. The total number of industry in a particular portion of the country is approx 1600. If the government has decided to increase the number of industries in the area by 20% every year, find the approximate number of industry after 2 years. We have to calculate the number of industries after 2 years. Number of industries after 2 years is equals to original number of industry. It means number of industries in the beginning is equals to into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power n 10 n. So original number of industry, that is 1600, 1 plus rate, that is rate 20%, and after 2 years, so time is 2, so 21 is a 20, 25 is a 100, so 1600 into 1 plus 1 by 5 to whole power 2. So this part we have to solve. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 here. Now see, 6 by 5 2 times, and the 5 5s are 25. 1600 cancel by 25 in 64 times. So the number of industries after 2 years, 64 into 36, it means 2300. It means before the 2 years it was 1600, and after the 2 years it is 62304 if 20% increases every year. Now see, that is the case of growth. Now see, in case of depreciation, it means decreasing. If the cost of machine depreciates by r% every year, then the value after n years can be obtained by the formula. Value after n years is equal to present value into 1 minus rate by 100 to whole power n, and the present value of the machine, value n years ago, 1 minus r by 100 to the power n. In case of growth we are putting here plus sign in both the places, but in case of depreciation in both the places we are putting what? Minus sign. You have to keep in mind. In case of depreciation, 1 minus r by 100, 1 minus r by 100. In case of growth, 1 plus r by 100, 1 plus r by 100. Now see the problem based on this. The value of a machine purchased 2 years ago and depreciates at the annual rate 10%. If its present value is rupees 97,200, find its value after 2 years. And second part, find its value when it was purchased. Now see, applying the formula, value after 2 years is equal to present value 1 minus r by 100 to whole power n, because it is case of depreciation. In case of depreciation we are putting here 1 minus r by 100. So the present value of machine is 97,200 and the rate of depreciation is 10%. This 0 is cancelled. Here is left 1 by 10, and 10 1s are 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. Now see the 97,200, 1 minus 1 by 10, 9 by 10, it is 2 times. These two zeros cancelled and it is multiplied. So the value after 2 years, rupees 78,732. So before the 2 years it was 97,000 2 years, and after 2 years, after depreciation of 10%, it is 78,732. Now see, second one more part is there. The present value of machine is equals to value 2 years ago, 1 minus r by 100 to the power n. So the present value of machine this one, this we are going to find the value 2 years ago. 1 minus 10 by 100, 0 0 cancel, 1 by 10, so 10 1 is 10, minus 1 9 by 10, and this we are transferring this side, it comes in the division sign, and after division will changing into multiplication, it will be reciprocal 10 by 9. This 2 9 cancelled by this 1200, and 1200 into 10 into 10. So the value of machine 2 years ago, it means the value of machine when it was purchased, rupees 1,20,000. When it was purchased, 1,20,000. The present value 97,200, and the value of machine after 2 years 78,732. Now see some more application of compound interest in case of population. Suppose the population of a country after n years is equal to present population is equals to 1 plus r by 100 to the power n, and the present population is equal to population n years ago 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Because the population is increasing, so we are considering as it is a case of growth, so that's why we are putting here the plus sign. Now see the problem. The population of a town in a China increases by 20% every year. If its present population is 2,16,000, find its population after 2 years. Second, its population 2 years ago. So in this question, the present population is given. We have to find the population after 2 years and the population after 2 years ago. So in case of since it is town, the population is increasing, so we have to use here the formula 1 plus r by 100. Now see the formula. Population after n years, present population 1 plus r rate by 100 to whole power time. Population after, according to question, we are finding here population after 2 years. So the present population is given 2,16,000, and the rate increases by 20%. So we are putting here 20 by 100. So 20 ones are 20 and 25 are 100, and 2,16,000 same. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 power 2. So 2 time we are writing, and this 2,16,000 cancelled by 5 5s are 25. Whatever we will get hit here, that multiplied by 6 into 6. So after multiplying we'll get 3,11,040. It means the present population of the China is 2,16,000. After 2 years it becomes 3,11,040 because the population of the town is increases by 20%. If it is increases, obviously the values increases. Now see, in second part what we have to calculate, population 2 years ago. So we have to use this formula. Present population is equal to population n years ago. It means population 2 years ago. 1 plus 20 by 100. This is cancelled. 1, 20 ones are 20, 25s are 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6 by 5, and this side same, present population is same. So population 2 years ago, this side we are changing it. If changing this side, it becomes 5 by 6, and this 6 are 36, and 36 216 cancelled by 36 in 6 times, and these 3 zeros. So 5 5s are 25, and 25 into 6, 150, 3 zeros. So the population of the town 2 years ago, it was 1,50,000. So you can imagine that Present population 2,16,000. 2 years ago 1,50,000. After 2 years to 3,11,040. Because see this line, the population of town is increases by 20%. So whatever 2 years ago the present population, and after 2 years you can see the result. 2 years ago present population, and after 2 years. Thank you very much.